For India's space agency, ISRO's docking of two spacecraft is a much-awaited event world over. It's likely to be attempted first on Tuesday, but even before that happens, ISRO's SpaceX mission has produced at least two successful experiments: use of a relocatable robotic arm and germination of seeds in microgravity environments. These both experiments are India's first successes in these fields. Take a look.
3, 2, 1, 0.
The Indian Space Research Organisation or ISRO launched its space docking experiment or SpaceX on the second last day of last year in a bid to not only develop a space station building capability in the coming years, but to also human space missions and other celestial endeavours. The mission not only put in orbit two spacecraft set to come closer to each other and ultimately perform a docking or handshake in space and separate within a matter of days. The fourth stage of the PSLV C-60 rocket carrying the POEM-4 platform has also been orbiting the Earth at an altitude of 350 kilometers, hosting 24 onboard experiments. Saturday saw ISRO putting out images of success related to two such experiments, both first for India. One video clearly showed the relocatable robotic manipulator technology demonstrator, or the RRMTD, also called the working robotic arm. The arm has 7 movable joints and can relocate itself like an inchworm to specific targets on the PS4 Orbital Experiment Module or POEM-4 platform in space. Becoming the 5th space agency to operate a robotic arm in space, ISRO said. RRMTD, India's first space robotic arm, is in action on board POEM-4, a proud Make in India milestone in space robotics. Another post on X showed an image where green shoots can be seen in seeds sent up in space in microgravity conditions on board POEM-4. Another first for India, which could prove crucial for the food security of astronauts in future long-duration space missions. In a post on X, ISRO said, "Live sprouts in space. VSSC's CROPS, or the Compact Research Module for Orbital Plant Studies experiment on board PSLV C-60, POEM-4 successfully sprouted cowpea seeds in 4 days. Leaves expected soon." And apart from these updates, ISRO also posted on X images showing the SpaceX Chaser spacecraft capturing an in-orbit space selfie video. It was captured on the 2nd of January when the Chaser was still 4.8 kilometers away from the target spacecraft. There may be other significant milestone moments which may emerge from this launch in the coming days, but none is more awaited than the docking or space handshake of the Chaser with the target. The first attempt is likely to be made on Tuesday. Success will mean that India will join an elite club of nations like the US, Russia and China, which have earlier demonstrated this capability in space. With inputs from Gautam Roy, Mihir Makri reporting for DD India.